ATER stock analysis. This is for next week and onward, Monday. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this very, very short 1 minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I want to start off by saying is that Aterian had a lot of movement, definitely a lot of movement, in which this case for me, it's a bearish range still. But yeah, we reached a supply zone well beyond this with just the wick. And this is when I knew that this is still something that I'm not willing to buy or really do anything with. And just keeping an eye on this. Because even like wanting to short sell, it's not that I cannot short sell. I mean, you can do whatever you want. But whether I stick to something that I've already tested almost 40,000 times. 37,000 videos is how much I've done. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, then just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. And I'll continue to keep you updated. I mean, everything else is just pure noise.